Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a open collab that me and Tree are hosting. It is a collab where we are calling it Finally Crafting It. Finally Crafting It, you guys. So of course we all have those items that we've been holding on to that people have sent us and we think they're so cute and we just don't want to open and use them. Sorry. Or anyways, so basically it's using your stash, using what you have, using something that you haven't even finished, that you're starting and you haven't finished. I know I do have some of those projects, so it's finally crafting it, finally getting it done, and hopefully finally sending it out. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I ended up using this time. These are extra ephemerals that I had. So one day I just got to sit here on my craft table and I started making these little cute boxes. And there's some of this from Dollar Tree and just pieces of ephemera I put together. So that's one. This is another one that I created. This is a rosette somebody sent me. So I am just, putting it together. This one was a heart shape that somebody sent me on a hearth or a craft. Oh my goodness, some Happy Mail or I can't remember. And these are extra scraps that I had. And I also made this box using a paper pad that Miss Lorraine Bradetto sent me. So I'm finally using that. And I think I did this after I did this. So that's why you see this a plain box. Anyways, and then what else did I make? What else did I make, you guys? Oh my goodness. Sorry. Here you go. So I am sending some Galentine stuff out. And so, of course, like I said, these are items that I had laying around. So these are, I think somebody sent me these. I just can't remember. So I just glued those on here. I put it on there and then just, putting stuff together. This I've had it made for a while already. I'm just going to send it out to somebody. I made some flowers, you guys. So using my scraps, I made some flowers and some papers that I had from maybe somebody that sent me Happy Mail and they just had the extra piece. So I just went ahead and used it on here. And same right here. I just used scraps and put these together. And this is a heart that was sent to me. So yeah, so that's part of what I've created. I also started using my vinyl, but hold on, before I continue with the vinyl part, I also had this and I just put it together. Of course, these are credit cards that I had, and then I did get some cupcake liners because somebody here in my household was asking. And I just put some together and then I put all this together and I had this little envelope made already. So I just stuck it together and I thought that was so cute. So there you go in here. Let me see. Excuse me the crinkle. I just did another video. And so yeah. So let me show you. So here are the rosettes that I made with the cupcake liners. And here's another one, and I just put this one together. Seems like this one's just layering over and over. Here's another one, and here is another one, and this is two cupcake rosettes together. And I found the full meat stickers, and I put those in there. Those were my last ones, so I was like, yay, finally. And then, okay, so that's it. Sorry, you guys, I'm too excited. I want to slow down. I apologize. I know attention span is not good sometimes, and people tend to click out, so I'm trying to get everything together in one breath, so I do apologize for that. So I did start using my vinyl for my Cricut, and this is so cute. So I did sign up for Cricut for 2 months for I think $1 each month, and I was able to use their oh my goodness, this design, this word design, and isn't that cute? So I did that. I did this right here. This is supposed to be to the side right here, and then I do have another one. Let me get it for you. I forgot about it. I do have this one where I made put the little hearts right here on the side. how cute is that? I just made it simple. And yeah, there you go, you guys. That is what I finally crafted. Basically, you guys, just you can put stuff together, create something. It's really up to you. But it's just finally crafting and sending stuff out if you have to. Anyways, thank you guys. Hope you guys can join on our collabs. Again, it's me and Tree that are hosting this collab. I will link Tree down in the description below if I haven't mentioned it. And just hashtag us, finally crafting it. If you decide to make a video, you guys, we will be happy to watch, and just make sure you guys tag us so we know that you made the video, and so we can go over and comment. Anyways, thank you again. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.